How to create or register a domain on Namecheap. Today I'll be showing you how to create or register a domain name. Here it says register domain name to start. So let's just say Madara. Click search. You can register a new domain or you can transfer yours to Namecheap. So you can edit the hosting from here. Those are the results. They will tell you if one of those was already taken. These websites you need to pay for them a year. Let's see here, $8.98 for a year, $1.8 for a year. Those are taken, but you still can make an offer for the owner. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.